Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, then languages and input, manage keyboards, then you have to go to the Gboard settings and then languages and tap add language. And here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty big. Let's select, for example, maybe Greek language, and then tap done. And let's try to write something in Greek language now. And as you can see, now I have a Greek keyboard on my device here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.